John, we all saw how the pound had plunged in value as polls indicated that the yes side was gaining momentum. So you're seeing a bit of a relief rally here now in the pound.
You saw it yesterday, sterling coming right back off session highs. I think it's doing pretty much nothing now, Scarlet. Yesterday, sterling cast its vote. And they declared, guess what, it was going to be a no. You saw the pound up the most since June yesterday. Equities, yes, they're higher, a little bit of a relief rally for equities, but I think the really interesting move is a move in Spain. Spanish equities are up more than the FTSE this morning. Spanish bond yields are down several basis points. The story in Scotland spoke to a similar movement in Catalonia, and you're seeing a big move in Spanish assets.
Jonathan, a key question for me is euro sterling. It's what you follow over there much more so than we do. It's really at a critical resistance for pound sterling. Do you just presume that this is a green light for stronger sterling versus Draghi's weak euro?
It feels that way, Tom. On the sterling side of things, you've got Governor Mark Carney, who's got a box ticks now. He doesn't have to worry about the uncertainty over the Scotland question. He can get back to business. On the euro side, Tom, there was an auction yesterday for those new targeted funding programme, the new cheap loans. There wasn't a big take-up from it. We've got to look for the December auction as well. But the key one here, Tom, is that if banks don't take up that cheap money, Mario Draghi might have to get a little bit more aggressive. And the guys I'm talking to are saying that could well mean more downside in the euro. You pitch that against the pound, you know what direction it could go in.
All right, John, we have to ask you how it feels on the ground there in London now that the vote is officially out and we know that Scotland is staying in the United Kingdom. The Queen hasn't spoken yet, has she?
No, she hasn't, but let me bring you the investment perspective. I spent the morning on a trading floor here in the City of London. They were up all night. They did a day's volume in about 2 hours in the early hour of the morning. And let me tell you, for most of the guys in the city watching your programme, I know Wall Street's just waking up, but the guys in the City of London, they're ready for bed, Scarlet.
All right. Jonathan Ferro, thanks so much for giving us the latest out of London.